All right, so we're over here mowing this lawn. They got stickers and everything coming up. You know, this is they rent, so you know, it's kind of long. So she'll probably pay me pretty good because she likes holding off and pays me a little extra, which whatever. I mean, I'm not like I'm blessed anyway, so it doesn't matter. But the good news is that I got my 25-inch beast today back, and I just can't wait to mow a lawn with it. All right, y'all. Hey, thanks for tuning in. So here's the backyard. It always looks a mess. All right, but I got my baby back. I'm so glad to have her back. She just seems to go so much faster.
Get a little bit of energy, and I'm gonna go mow this lawn. I'm gonna live stream it. I was gonna try to live stream it from my GoPro, like do a point of view live stream, but I couldn't. When I got my GoPro app and I paid for it on the Google store, and I had an Android. Since then, I've switched to a Apple, and I can't get the live stream feature. So I'm just gonna finish eating this, man. Give me some energy.
I'll show you some of the tools I'm using today. So I got an Echo SRM 2620. I didn't get the T. It was like, I don't know, $75 more. But all it is like a lower gearing in the head. And so it'll just cut through thicker stuff. And then I got a YBravo. I just got this back from the mechanic. 25 inch. Thing cuts fast, I'll show you. And then I have an Echo PB77OH backpack blower. I really don't need it in the backyard. But typically in this backyard, I have, here, let's see. Oh yeah. So it's not even blocking. Maybe, let's see. All right. Here we go. Here's the front. Wasn't too bad today. I think it'd be worse. A little tall, but I got my bigger mower, so I think that's what made it easier because it's wider and it just cuts faster. And I just like it a whole lot. It's only like 5 inches wider, but it just cuts so much better and faster. Goes like 3.5 miles per hour. So I think this whole back took me like 10 minutes, 12 minutes with it to mow. I haven't had it for like 2 months, but there you go.